Data isn't just stored anymore. It's engineered, governed, and optimized in real time. Companies running on Snowflake need people who can prove they actually understand the platform, not just talk about it. That's exactly what the newly updated SnowPro Core certification, COF-C03, from Snowflake validates, covering everything from architecture to Cortex AI to modern data sharing. In this session, we'll walk through real exam-style practice questions built for this latest version, so you can think like the exam and pass with confidence. Let's get started. Question number 1. A company stores large amounts of analytical data in Snowflake and wants to separate storage costs from compute resources. Which Snowflake architecture feature enables this capability? A. Shared nothing architecture. B. Multi-cluster warehouse architecture. C. Separate storage and compute architecture. D. Database replication. Correct answer. C. Separate storage and compute architecture. Explanation. Snowflake uses a unique architecture where storage, compute, and cloud services are separated. Data is stored centrally while virtual warehouses provide independent compute resources. This allows organizations to scale compute without moving data and optimize costs by managing storage and compute separately. Question number 2. A Snowflake user wants to execute SQL queries without affecting the performance of other users running workloads on the same account. What should the administrator configure? A. Increase database size. B. Create separate virtual warehouses. C. Add more tables. D. Enable data sharing. Enable data. Correct answer. B. Create separate virtual warehouses. Explanation. Snowflake virtual warehouses provide independent compute resources. By assigning different workloads or user groups to separate warehouses, organizations can prevent resource contention and maintain consistent query performance. Question number 3. Which Snowflake feature allows organizations to securely share live data with other Snowflake accounts without copying or moving the data? A. Zero-copy cloning. B. Secure data sharing. C. Time travel. D. Database replication. Correct answer. B. Secure data sharing. Explanation. Secure data sharing allows providers to share live and governed data with consumers without creating additional copies. The consumer can access the shared data while the provider maintains control over the original data. Question number 4. Which Snowflake feature can be used to find sensitive data in a table or column? A. Masking policies. B. Data classification. C. Row-level policies. D. External functions. Correct answer. B. Data classification. Explanation. Data classification in Snowflake is a feature that allows organizations to identify and categorize data stored in tables or columns based on its sensitivity level or content type. This feature can be used to find sensitive data within the database by classifying data as confidential, personal, public, etc., making it easier to apply appropriate security measures, such as masking policies or row-level security, to protect sensitive information. Snowflake documentation, data classification. Question number 5. What is a feature of column-level security in Snowflake? A. Role access policies. B. Network policies. C. Internal tokenization. D. External tokenization. Correct answer. A. Role access policies. Explanation. Column-level security in Snowflake is implemented through role access policies. These policies allow administrators to control access to specific columns of a table or view based on the role of the user accessing the data. By applying a role access policy to a column, administrators can ensure that sensitive information remains secure, and only users with the appropriate roles can view or query the data in that column. This feature enhances the security model by providing fine-grained access control at the column level. Snowflake documentation. Implementing column-level security. Snowflake skills are some of the most in demand in the modern data stack. Passing the SnowPro Core COF-C03 certification proves you can. Design and manage Snowflake architecture and virtual warehouses, load, transform, and optimize structured and semi-structured data, apply security, governance, and data sharing best practices, work confidently with newer features like Cortex AI and Git integration. Don't rely on outdated COF-C02 material. This version tests different ground. Use CertBoosters practice questions to align with the current COF-C03 blueprint, sharpen your understanding, and walk into the exam ready to pass on the first attempt. Start practicing now via the link given in the description below. and get certified on Snowflake's latest standard.